Okay, hi everyone. Today we're gonna talk about how to make this board into glass material. Okay, so just select it, choose the material. You can select the existing material, which is glass. Okay, got clear glass, black glass, brown glass, etc. Or else you can just create your own. Okay, let's say if I want to create my own, those colors. So I just come here, business center. Same thing, product category. You need to texture. You need to create a new category which called glass. Then you come to mine, texture, publish. Then you click on it, called glass green. Okay, let's say I make a green glass. Okay, TX Exim Japanese. So this one material you need to select like which one? Pinder glass. Okay, I pick Pinder glass 2 lah. Okay, let's say if I want green color, then I just upload the picture which is green color. Okay, then you see this one green, and this one is the green picture, right? Then you click on glass, get the classification, submit. Okay, here got a green glass already. So you come here, material, my glass. Okay, the green glass, right? Just select only. It will apply here. Okay, to check it out, we come to render. Let's see how green is it. Green glass. Saved. Okay, so here I put HD, colors, lighting, and adjust it. Okay, confirm. Okay, just wait a while. Oops. Okay, then we come to here and see the glass. Okay, so this is the green glass. Okay, thanks for watching.